Since the COVID-19 crisis swept over Europe during the first half of 2020, nearly every person is affected by this virus, whether directly or indirectly. This virus has a huge impact on the daily lives of millions of people. There's no doubt COVID-19 is casting a spell over whole Europe. To tackle this crisis, new ideas and innovations are needed, more than ever. To address this challenge, a cost-effective mobile air cleaner, which can additionally aerolize disinfectant, is developed in the project CleanAir. Now let's see how this innovation happened.